how to fix Meezan bank login not working. So if you want to fix your Meezan bank login not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection and it's working properly. Once done, you need to make sure that you've entered the username, the password or your login credentials correctly. Because if you've not entered the correct credentials, then you may not be able to log into your account. So once you enter your correct credentials, you can go with login and your problem might be fixed. Or if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is open up your Play Store, or you can also go with your App Store, whichever device you're using, and search for Meezan. Once you find the Meezan mobile banking application, if you have any updates on it, just simply go and update it. And after updating, the problem might be fixed. But even after updating, if that doesn't fix your problem, then just simply tap and hold on to the application and you will find the app info. You need to tap on the app info. Once you're on the app info of Meezan Bank, you need to go with storage and cache and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, just simply go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.